channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. March brings with it the beginning of spring and also a nice alternate with inside the weather. The best time to begin doing matters of this outdoors, or as you know, you may simply maintain something staying internal and looking Netflix. If you do, you will realize and have lots of sparkling titles to select from, as a brand new month usually manner a shift in what is to be had and also at the streaming service. This year, March brings new seasons of Ozark, and on my blog, the ultra-modern episodes of the CW's All-American and Black Lightning, and also an interesting lineup of films. Should Netflix's The Irishman have picked your hobby, and also the director Martin Scorsese's filmography, his films Goodfellas and Hugo will also arrive on March 1. Also, we had to be a date as such iconic titles as Space Jam, The Shawshank Redemption, Tootsie, and There Will Be Blood. As long as we may lower back as we can remember, we usually desired to be a gangster. Martin Scorsese's 1990 movie Goodfellas is also an edition of the 1985 non-fiction Backwoods Guy's Nicholas Pileggi. This traditional American movie is now crime movie chronicles of the lifestyles of mobster Henry Hill, Ray Lolita, who becomes swept up right into a lifestyle of crime. And also when he commenced his assassination operating for Paul Sorvino and his fellow associates, James Jimmy Conway, Robert De Niro, and Tommy DeVito, Joe Pesci, Henry's speedy and difficult upward to push the pinnacles most effective and makes his inevitable crash and burn all of the greater charming to witness. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Goodfellas is certainly considered as one of the Scorsese's widely pleasing masterpieces and also the most appeasing that let in each member of the cast to have their own distance to exhibit the talent, specifically Lolita as Henry. At the beginning of the movie, Lolita is dwelling without caring with inside the world, insatiable in his lust for money, energy and women. As his residence of playing cards starts to fall apart around him, it is Miles' brilliant to peer his cap potential to absolutely resolve into utter paranoia. Lolita can be the principal recognition of the movie, however, De Niro and Pesci supply standout performances. Pesci is horrifying as Tommy, an unfastened cannon who may be joking 1 minute and then taking serious pictures of a person for an offhand remark the next. De Niro, on the other hand, also performs brilliantly as Jimmy, a chunk of a greater quite ordinary. Observing, however, with one appearance can De Niro communicates that he is one of the maximum greatest artists that will kill them of all. Although he reunites in nearly 150 minutes, Scorsese does now no longer permit an unmarried second to experience wasted. The tale is so tight in its execution that despite juggling many of these characters and storylines, it does not feel suffocated or stuffed, wherein each scene has a purpose. It isn't any marvel where Goodfellas is taken into consideration to be one of the best gangster films. Thank you for watching the video till the end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends. To stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.